So it's that time of the day again, 15:30, and I just marked the first 15-minute candle of the New York opening, the high and the low. Let me just change the colors. The blue one is the high, and the red one is the low. So the case is, I'm waiting for a breakout to either side, and then a retest of that breakout. Then I enter to the direction of the breakout, retest inside. Then I can wait for it to break on the opposite direction on another side and retest so that I can enter. It's just breakout and retest. We don't trade inside the range unless price goes in after you've entered the trade. So it's simply something like this. If it's a break on the other side, I want to see something like this happening. Shit. I want to see something like this happening so that I can enter a short. If something like this happens, I will enter a short. It's simply something like this. Or I want to see something like this happening. A breakout to this direction and then a retest and then so that I can enter along. So no trades inside the range unless I see something or the price goes in after I've entered the trade. It's just something like this. It's called opening range breakout. So yeah, right now we'll just wait for price to break out, but since we're waiting for that, I'm just gonna pause this again and just go up on my day. Looks like price is gonna break out sooner than expected, or can just play around this range. Can just play around this range and keep on because that don't break out. Anything can happen, but let's see. Seems like the momentum wants to push up, and we just broke out of a simple moving average. So if we can just retest and reject, and then we break out of the range, I'll be certified. I'll be certified. We'll be certified by actually after we break out outside this range. If we retest from this, if we retest and reject, which will be something like this if it happens. Like as you saw, we had a breakout, and then maybe we can retest the EMA, and then just go out. And then hopefully, what happened yesterday won't happen today. Don't know. We just hope. So we had a breakout to the opposite direction, and then retest. Aha. And now we adjusted our rejection. So let's just wait for it actually to react so that we can see what are we gonna do. So you can see what I'm gonna do. Actually. Please tell me that you love me and try to change your mind. He said I need someone to understand. Yeah, it's rejecting. It's rejecting. So in this case, where would be our stop? above the EMA, guys will just go for these holes. Right. Oh shit, what's happening? What's the level? And now we are running laps. Where was the breakout? This thing can go into your direction until you open the position. That's some fucked up shit. Oh, okay. How? How? I don't know. Maybe this is just gonna take some a little bit of time compared to yesterday so that it plays out. What am I doing here? Please do everyone. Just dancing around, dancing around, dancing around. Now it's moving. Keep your Collect cards from the county. Let's go. Yeah, this took a little bit of time. It's 12 minutes since I started the recording, but I've been pausing between the sessions. But it's just 30 minutes after the start of the New York, and I just feel bad that I entered the trade with a small position on my account. I just feel bad for that. Didn't change my lot size because my lot size was for bigger time frames, and this execution happens mainly on the smaller time frame, 1 minute time frame, and I normally place my trades with the analysis from the 15-minute time frame, which means small lot size but huge profits because the range is much bigger than this range we are dealing with right now. Don't do it like that. Because I'm already in the trade around. I entered here on my phone. So it is not a one is to two exactly on my on the place where I entered on my phone. It is not exactly one is to two, but I just went on the trade because we also what happened yesterday. So yeah, but on trading view we are not in yet on the trade. So let's hope we'll get filled out on trading view, and then we go to our target or we just get left out. It's one of I turned halfway from my TP, and it didn't even sweep this liquidity here. I went just tapped this level. So I don't know what's happening. I'm trying to understand what's happening. It will just with me out and then we go to sleep early today. This one is gonna take us out. I can feel it. It's gonna tap us in and take us out right away. This take profits or stop loss, no break even. So that will elo out. Take profits or nothing. Let's go. And then the level was swept. Yeah, now it's a matter of just go down. Take it away. Just 2%. All we need is 2%. Done with the game. And I don't wanted you to live, okay? I'm gonna say. Looks like you're gonna play this out for 30 minutes because now we're approaching 20 minutes on the recording. So when it all falls down, I only got myself. Oh, the team at the wrong level. Wrong level. I nearly lost myself. All the loss I felt out. I pray to God I never let these inner demons get me tired out. I won't ever put myself in places I can't climb out. Now you wanna hold me close but still be hold. It's a rejection on the wrong level. Wrong level. Because all it has to do is just fill the temple machine so that I can stop this thing. So I guess we'll settle for this, that small lot size I used because I wasn't tapped in on the correct lot size. So yeah, hey, what's happening? All I need is just 2%, 2%, nothing much. Like from where you rejected to where I want you to go is 2%. Being a real nigga weighs much more than all that clout. You cannot take my soul. All alone, prayed alone, still alive. I built this on my. The news today, I forgot about that. Yo, or it's around 8 p.m. So okay, but yeah, there's news today. So trading at all is risky. SpaceX was moving from 135 to opened at how much? Check. What was the opening price for this stock? I will check it after. But now it's sitting at 200. On chart. Yo, my mouse is acting up right now. I sense the jealousy, kissed out my destiny. I pray my soul's at peace, lost in these melodies. They wanna see me dead, I'm a martyr, but we win instead. If we check the score when it's said and done, 15 minutes of recording. Without this thing hitting take hits, I'm just switching off the video, which means I will upload 2 videos. All alone, great alone, still alive. I built this on my own. My sister jealousy, kissed out my destiny. I pray my soul at peace. You just invest the fucking everything. Nice try. Nice try. It's a rep. It's a rep. Ooh, there are some people who caught buys near this position. I know for a fact, I know for a fact there's some people who entered around this position with their stop here. And they might just be lucky and get filled. And then, oh, it's what I would have done if I wasn't using this setup. And then I see something like this in a chart, they sweep on liquidity. All they need right now is a market structure shift around this so that they can enter. Some of them already entered when this thing rejected from this level. I don't know if we did invest at the MPG. Yep, we did close above the MPG. So right now, you can say it's retesting the inversion. If it fails and closes above, then I'm out. I just know that for effect. This market is playing around. Yeah, some people caught buys, and I'm thinking of taking one around here, but that's not on my trading plan, so I will do it. But if my intrusive thoughts win, I'm gonna enter for a buy somewhere here. But there is no level where I can place my stop loss, which is something I don't like, because it can pull me in and just go down and sweep everything else down there. So everything I wanna do is risky. So I Don't do it. Why fuck? He said if I got it all together, just know I'm lying. From the place you make if I said I got it all together, just know I'm lying. From a place we don't make it out, too many niggas dying. Truth is I ain't better than this, man, but you know I'm trying. Oh, oh, have mercy on me. 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 Yes, you gotta leave. Yeah, in 1 minute I'm pausing the video and then I'll come back after the stop, but it take profit is hit. Cause wow. You trying to catch me riding there. It's really daddy hate. Go, 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 go. You see how I'm making a series of higher highs and of lower highs and lower lows. But deep down the market wanna push up. Like, this is looking for a reason to buy. One mistake, if Trump tweets, the market will just pump. This is cruel. This is another level of cruelty. Cause see, 1% high. Really, really. Oh, I'm tired. I'm posting the video. Just continue when it does the right thing. And then there was take profit, and then we were failed. As I said, the rest was history. So this is how I trade every day. One setup every day, and this is how it plays out. Let me just close. Yeah. So you see how I didn't change the trade. I think it's better when I'm doing these sessions because I just don't have any choice but to follow my rules. Didn't change the trade. I didn't do anything that I wasn't supposed to do, and look how it played out. So initially, if I caught it any time earlier after this retest, I would have entered around here, and this is how the trade is. This is how the trade was supposed to be, but I was out washing dishes. So, but yeah, this is pretty much it. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Until next time.